Good day, everyone. This is the voice of Olaide Halim, popularly known as Olaidola. My first age, money-making results did not allow me to sleep. My forsage, money-making results did not allow me to sleep. My eyes is on my target. Okay, some people call it forsage, some people call it forsage. It depends on you guys. It depends on how you want to call it. My forsage, money-making results did not allow me to sleep, guys. I'm recording this video past I think to 3 a.m. Okay. I slept around 10. Woke up around 12 to do some research. Okay, in life, for you to be ahead, you need to find a way to improve yourself. Even if you didn't get any help from anybody, you have a lot of resources out there that you can use to do what to improve yourself. These days, I make sure that I sleep early and I woke up early. Why? Because working at this time, I like it because I'm going to achieve a lot. There is not going to be any distraction. There's not going to be any calling and all that. Now, this opportunity is forcing me to wake up. Why? I have a target, which I'm going to show you. Disclaimer about forsage. Do your own proper research. Do your own proper research before you join. I did my own proper research and I found out that, okay, this is real. This is something I can do. This is something that my people can do. Okay. The truth is I don't just do any program. I do get a lot of requests from people, from hundreds of people, networkers that come and join this, come and join this, come and join this. I do deny them because I don't want to lead my people to anything that is not worth it. It's not about me. It's about the people. Yes, you that are watching this video. It's about you. I care about you. I love you. Okay? That is why I don't join any program to lure you in. I joined this program because this program is a smart contract. Money didn't stay in the system. Money goes straight to its member. And another thing is that there is no manipulation. Go and Google smart contracts. Read about it. Once they write smart contracts, there is no way they can edit anything on it. It has been written. They can't unprogram it. It has been programmed. Okay? Now, my first money making results did not allow me to sleep. And my eyes is on my target. Guys, I'm going to show you my target and I'm going to show you the one that I've achieved so far. I'm recording daily video for documentation purpose. Let's go, guys. All right. Before you continue, you can come to my channel on YouTube. Just search for Olaide Halim and subscribe to my channel. Olaide Halim is my channel name. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you're a new member to this channel, you will see subscribe. Subscribe and click on notification. The essence of clicking on notification is that when I upload any new video, you will get notification in your email that Olaide Halim have uploaded a new video. Yesterday, I post my results on how I made 5,000. See the screen. How I made $5,000 from forsage in just 9 days with little effort. I joined this program 24th of June. Today make it 10 days into this program. Okay. As at yesterday, my earning was $5,000. As at yesterday, my earning was $5,000. Day before yesterday, my earning was $4,000. Did you see the level of increase? The level of increase, like day before yesterday to yesterday, I earned $1,000. And yesterday to today, I earned another $1,000. The best time to join this program is now, after doing your own research. You can decide, but the truth is, my money goes straight to my wallet, my money goes straight to my Nigerian bank account. That's just it. You can watch, when you're on my channel, just click on videos and watch all the videos that I record about this Forsage. Okay? And why Forsage did not allow me to sleep any longer. Let me show you my results here. This is my result, 339047. That is my ID, and as you can see, this is 6,441. $6,000. Let me refresh. It is not a Photoshop, guys. Okay, it's not a Photoshop, guys. Or the Photoshop, and see my goals. $100K in 2020. That is my goals, and that's what I want to achieve. And the way I'm seeing it, the level of growth, everything, I think I'm going to achieve this. And by next year, we will set another target to next year to make $1 million from this business. $1 million, yes. That will be my target next year, because this program will be massive, which is why you need to come on board on time. You need to position yourself on time, because Nigerian, they sleep. They are still sleeping. Okay? How many people do we have so far in this program? 463,000 people worldwide. So, in the last 24 hours, 12,693 people joined this program in the last 24 hours worldwide. And they've paid out 73 millions to members. Participants have earned 73 millions. Okay? Money goes straight to your wallet. I joined this program with $100. $100 allows you to buy Forsage S3 level 1 to 3, Forsage S4 level 1 to 3. Guys, there will be a time when that same $100 cannot buy up to this level again. Why? When the price of Ethereum increase, which is why you need to come on board on time and position yourself. And you can decide and buy S4 from 1 to 7. It's about positioning from 1 to 7. From 1 to 7, it's about positioning yourself. From 1 to 7, and buy it. The truth is, anybody that is coming to my team, you need to refer people. That's just it. If you can't even refer anybody, you need to refer just 3 people. Don't chat me up if you know that you can't refer. Yes. Don't chat me up if you know that you can't refer. Although this program, they have 2 packages. S3. S3 is for people that can refer, while S4 is for people that don't want to refer. But there is a but on S4. A lot of people are making money. We've seen people without any referral that have made $70,000, $100,000 without any referral. They are enjoying spillover. Spillover. Yes, spillover. If you do S4, you will enjoy spillover. But nobody will tell you the exact time that you are going to make the money. That's the truth. Nobody will tell you the exact time. But the truth is, you are going to make money from S4 if you position yourself very well. You come in, you buy from level 1 to 6 straight up. Level 1 to 6 straight up. Okay? You make money without even refer anybody. But nobody will guarantee you. It can be slower or faster. You can get it quick or not. But you are going to get it. How are you now going to get it? From spillover? There is spillover. What we call spillover. Spillover from your sponsors. Which is why you need to join a right team where you can be getting spillover. Spillover equals to money. But once it drops, it equals to money. Okay, once it's drop like this, you see money. I've seen a lot of testimony from our member telling me that Olaide Alim, you are the best. I joined your team. A friend of mine that joined other teams since all these days, they didn't get any result. But ever since I joined your team, my result is skyrocketing. Yes, that is the essence of joining a right team. In this game, you need to join a right team like Olaide Alim's team. We're a mover. We have a lot of people that are working day and night that you can get spillover from. Guys, the best time to join this program is now. Don't even delay. Do your own proper research. I will not force anybody to join this program. Do your own proper research. But one thing that you need to note, you need to join the right team. See, I joined this program 10 days ago, and I've made $6,050, which means I joined the right team. You don't join the right team, guys, you will not make as much as possible. Okay, my channel, you can watch the tutorial on how to start. This one is step-by-step instruction on how to register on Forsage. Step-by-step instruction on how to do what? How to register in Forsage. And here are the recommended channel that you can click and join. Okay, here are the recommended channel that you can click and join. And once you watch the video, this video, step-by-step instruction on how to register on Forsage without the help of your upline. Yes. Okay, you can register without even contacting me. Everything is there. I made it simple. I made everything simple. We are in digital world, guys, where we don't need to see ourselves one-on-one again. All the information that you need are there. Okay, guys, once you watch this video about the whole thing, and you will see where I say something like, here is my Forsage referral link. This is my referral link. This is my referral link. This is my Forsage referral link. Okay. This is my referral link. And on the process of joining, you will see 339047. Take it, note it. 339047. Guys, if someone referred you to this channel, you need to get back to the person that referred you to this channel and register through under that person. They send you this video, don't register under me. Register through the person that sent you this video, because we are doing what we are working together. We are a team. We are working together. Okay, the person just sent you this video for you to watch it only, not that you should register under me. But if you are my followers watching this video because of me, you need to use my my link to join. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I need to let me show you the day that I joined again before I end this video. We go to the office. You can check anybody's account. You go to the office and go to statistic. Go to the end of the page. You see the data that I see. As you can see, 24th of 6 by 6:30. That is when I join. Let me show you some people's earning. Some people do ask the owner of this business, the initiator of this business, because someone will initiate a program. That's the truth. The initiator of this business, how do they make money? The initiator is the number one. The creator is the number one. You can check anybody's earning. If you check the creator's account, you see that the creator has earned $525,000. Guys, in this game, overtaking is allowed. Being a creator doesn't mean someone will not overtake you, or be an upline doesn't mean your downline will not overtake you. If you are not working the way you're supposed to work, your downline will do what? Your downline will overtake you. As you can see, this is $525,000 from this business. The business has started in February. That is why I'm saying we have not even started. You need to position yourself. You need to come on board on time, because by the time we start, you make bastard money. That's the truth. Let me show you other people's earning that just joined recently. So I need to log out from this account to show you other people's earning. I just joined recently. I will tell you the story of this man. It is FS Charles. He's in our team. He has made so much money. Started with $100. Keep upgrading. The game is in upgrading. The game is in upgrading. You need to upgrade as much as possible. Tell your downline to upgrade as well. You need to tell your downline to upgrade as well. And the level at which people are joining you or going to a higher level will determine how much that you are going to make. I said overtaking is allowed. I will show you this man upline. See, he has made 86,124 so far. It's not even about the number of people that you refer. This one is the number of people that you refer. It's how your team are working, guys. So basically, it's not about the number of people that you refer, but it's about how your people, the people under you, how they are working. Okay, your people under you must replicate you. If you bring in 3 people, work with those people to bring in their own 3 people. Before you know it, money will continue to comes in. Money will continue to make money every time. I was with Charles, FS Charles, yesterday, and around 2 p.m. his account was $69 then. Before we left, his account has turned to $86,000. That's just it. That is crazy. Let me show you when Charles, when he joined this program, you click on statistics, you can check when anybody joined this program, just for you to calculate the level of growth, unless the person is not working. If you are not working, you are not going to make money. See, 31st of May. See, the business will start at the 1st of May with just $100. You have a solid team. You encourage them to replicate you to do the same thing, and you are upgrading. Tell them to upgrade as well. Upgrading means you don't pay to the owner of the website. 100% money goes to member. If you upgrade, you are paying to another member. That is how it works. $86,000 guy. Remember, he joined 31st of May. Okay, let me show you Charles upline. Charles upline. You need to note that Charles made about 86,000 so far, and Charles upline made 31,000. Why? Charles upline did not upgrade on time. Overtaking is allowed. Not upgrade on time, and Charles used the opportunity and upgrade. Charles communicates with his upline that, okay, let's upgrade, but the man didn't listen. See what happened. Let's see the day that Charles upline joined the program. Go click on statistics. Click on statistics and scroll down. He joined the same day that Charles joined. They joined together. See, this game is about positioning. It's about the way that you position yourself. I will not go through the statistic again. You can do your own research. You can go through it on your own. You can check it out. I've shown you how it works. Let me show you this account or this account. Let me quickly show you before I end this video, because I don't want this video to be too long. I told you it's not about referral. See with this one person. If I just only one person and he has earned 11,900. It's about the people that will reflect the way they work. The way they work. And spillover. This man has been enjoying spillover, and you can see something. S3 only bought level 1 to 3, and S4 is where the money is. S4 is from level 1 to 12. You need to upgrade as many as possible. Position yourself. Let's check another account. 261042. Check another account. See. Wow. Only one person. You know what this guy did? He joined the program and bought everything. From level 1 to 12 of S4, from level 1 to 12 of S3. As you can see, he will not upgrade anything again. He continued to enjoy money. He just brought only one person, and the person did the same thing. Let's check his downline. Let's check what his downline did. This one, with just one person, $70,000. Let's check the day that he joined. Save. On the 16th of June. 16th of June, $70,000. Which business can you do? Which program can you do that way? Although there are a lot of programs out there, but there are few. Okay, I want to check his downline. I want to check this guy's downline. As you can see, his downline has made more money than this guy itself. How? This is $92,000. Let's check what this guy downline did that his upline did not do. Remember, his upline referred just one person, and the person did the same thing that he do, and he made $70,000. Now, let's check his downline. $92,000. It's not about upline. It's about positioning. But what's the difference? This guy referred just 4 people. Upline referred just one person. Let me check this guy's network. This is interesting. Partner. Let me check this guy's network. See, this guy brought people that did the same thing that he does. They bought, honestly, they bought all the 12 level. Honestly, they bought all the 12 level. See. That's just it, guy. They are going to be the one that will determine how much you want to make. Let me check the third person. As you can see, they are making crazy money. That is not internet money that you can't touch. Money that is in your account, bank account, your wallet, your Ethereum wallet. Just 2 people and has earned 1,172. Let's check the day that he joined. On the 13th of June. Okay. Now, let's check these accounts. Remember, the creator of this business earned $525,000 so far. Check this one out, guys. Let's go. $619,000. That we're talking about. He joined March. He joined this program March. Join this program March 23, 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, in this program we are going to need Ethereum to start And the recommended website where you can buy your Ethereum is Snappy Exchange. And when you make money, you can sell it to them as well. snappyexchange.com. That is the recommended website. Okay, that is the recommended website where you can buy Ethereum, but you need to register. Once you register, you just click on buy from us. You'll be able to see the Ethereum. You'll be able to see the information that you need. And don't forget to subscribe to Olade Halim's channel